Hello, my name is Justin Shorty. I am a health educator at the T. Snell's Moss Wellness Center, and today I am going to make a no-bake almond energy bite. And for the ingredients for today, I'm going to be using pitted dates, slivered almonds, unsweetened coconut flakes, and some cinnamon for a little bit of spice. And for this recipe, I'm going to get about a cup. You can do a little bit more, a cup. And I'm going to add it to a food processor. You can also use a blender. And you're going to add that cup of pitted dates along with a cup of the slivered almonds. And then you're going to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon to this mixture. Put it on my handy dandy food processor. Make sure it's locked. Secure it. This is my first time for everything. Okay, we're gonna add some more dates. Let's say maybe a 1/4 cup more dates. As you can see, it's getting there, but we want it to stick together. Two cups. Definitely going for 2 cups. Alright, so now that your recipe is finally blended, it's going to be a bit loose, but that is okay because we're just going to be molding it into bite-sized pieces. And as you can see, the dates, they act as a bit of a glue. And then you can roll it into some coconut flakes just for some added texture. And then plate it. And these energy bites, they are very good because they have high amounts of fiber and healthy fats in it. So for people that are wanting to manage their blood sugars while also imbibing in some of those holiday sweets, these are great recipes to practice at home. You can make it your own. You can even omit the coconut flakes. And all we're doing is we're just adding it. And so for this recipe, it would be best to try to use at least 2 cups of pitted dates per 1 cup of slivered almonds. You can also alternate a recipe with maybe some peanuts, or you can do walnuts, different types of nuts out there, to make these very tasty and blood sugar friendly energy bites. Okay.
Nothing.
Nothing else?
Sugar?
Warm coconut?
Yeah, some more coconut. Maybe a nut? A couple of nuts? Give it that crunch.
Hit me on.
So for the peanut butter, you're going to be using some cream.
I'm gonna wash my hands.